Okay, so now I'll solve a few questions for you over here so that you basically get the idea of how to apply all of these properties. So over here we have a question where we have unknown values D and E. Now, keeping in mind the properties of the exterior angle of a triangle. Now, if you look at this, the angle DAC, which is equal to 110, is basically an exterior angle for this triangle ABC. So, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So, the two opposite interior angles that are opposite to 110 are 2E and 3E. So keeping the property in mind that exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. So the exterior angle is equal to 110 and the two opposite interior angles are equal to 2E plus 3E. Now if you solve this equation, 110 is equal to 5E and 110 divided by 5 is equal to E, which gives you 22. Okay? Now to find out the value of D, 110 and D, if you look at it, are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles meaning their sum together is equal to 180 degrees because they're lying on a straight line. So D plus 110 is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 110, that will give you 70 degrees. Okay? So this is how you basically are going to apply the property of exterior angles, plus remembering the different types of angles, angles on a straight line, angles on a point, all of those that we've already done in chapter 10. Now another question is this one. Now over here we have two unknown values A and B over here. Okay? This is A and this is B. Now there are different ways of solving this. First of all, we'll obviously look at angle A. Okay? Angle A lies in the triangle BCE, this triangle. Now, first of all, we're going to look at the triangle. Can we solve this value of A using the triangle? Again, over here we have an exterior angle, 115, right? And this exterior angle will be equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. और इसके two opposite interior angles क्या हैं? एक angle A है और दूसरा ये right angle है, and right angle is equal to 90 degrees. So you can write this equation 115 is equal to A plus 90 because it is an exterior angle and it is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. ठीक है, सो यहाँ से आप A की वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेंगे. A is equal to 115 minus 90. So that will give you 25. Now you have the angle A and now you want to find out the angle B. Now if you see this line, this would be 180 degrees. Angle A plus this angle in the middle that has not been marked plus angle B should be equal to 180 degrees because it is a straight line. So you can write it as angle A plus the angle FEG plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees because they're all lying on a straight line. So अगर हमें angle FEG पता चल जाए, so we can put the value of that here. A we already know, and then we can find out the value of B. FEG, finding it is very easy. FEG lies in the triangle FEG, and the triangle FEG has one angle equal to 32, one angle equal to 90, and this we can mark as, let's say, X. So now x plus 32 plus 90, and the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So now if you solve this for the value of x, you will bring 32 and 90 to the other side and subtract that from 180, and that will give you 58. So value of x is 58. X was the angle FEG. Now if you solve this, put the value of A here. So this is 25 plus FEG is 58 plus the unknown angle B is equal to 180 degrees. You solve this equation and you have your answer for B. Okay, so you have to mix and match different properties. जहाँ पे जो चीज़ आ जाए, use that and solve the questions. Now the last question that I'll do for you today is this one. Over here we have three unknowns E, F and G. Okay, so we did this in the class also, but I'll explain it to you right now. First of all, to figure out the value of E, there are a few things that we're going to do. First of all, we're going to look at this isosceles triangle. How do we know this is an isosceles triangle? Because these two lines show that the line EC and EB are equal to each other. So base angles इसके कौन से होंगे? The ones opposite to the equal lines. So ये वाला इसके opposite है, तो दूसरा ये वाला है. So this will also be an base angle and the two base angles are equal. So अगर वो 2E है तो ये भी 2E होगा. ठीक है? So now we know that BCE, the angle BCE is equal to 2E. Now to find out the value of 2E, हमें सिर्फ एक angle given है, which is 120 degrees, which is actually an exterior angle. Now this exterior angle is exterior to this small little triangle which has E and F inside. उसका भी exterior है, और बड़ा triangle, the triangle BCF, उसके भी exterior है. So पहले हम इसको BCF में use कर लेते हैं. ठीक है? So it is exterior to that, and an exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. Right now we are going to ignore this line BE in the middle because हम बाहर वाले triangle को देख रहे हैं, इस वाले को. So the angles inside this triangle are now, this one is 2E and this whole is 2E plus E. So the whole angle CBF is equal to 2E plus E, which makes it 3E. So ये angle 3E है, ये angle 2E है, and they are the interior opposite angles to 120. So 120 is equal to 2E plus 3E because 120 is an exterior angle and it is equal to the sum of opposite interior ones. So now solving this will give us, we had 2E plus 3E is equal to 120. Solving this will give us 5E is equal to 120 and E is equal to 120 divided by 5, which gives us 24. अब हमें 2E की वैल्यू मिल गई. हमने पहले ही डिसाइड कर लिया था because it's an isosceles triangle. तो ये एंगल भी 2E है because base angles. Now to find out the value of F, we are going to look at this small triangle and again use the exterior angle. 120 is also exterior to this triangle. और अगर हम इस triangle को देखें तो 120 should be equal to the sum of E and F. So 120 is equal to E plus F in the triangle BEF. E की वैल्यू हम फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं, which is 24. So F की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए 120 minus 24 is equal to F, which will give us 96. ठीक है?